today we'll be learning how to open an image in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright, so in Adobe Photoshop, this is the interface. Alright, so you will go to the left top corner where you will see a taskbar. Alright, you shall see file, edit image, layer, type, etc. You'll go to file, open, and search where your image is and click on the image to select it, to make a selection, and click open. So your file should open in the interface. Alright guys, so don't forget to follow us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content. Okay guys.